Today on GotTeched, 5-picture video screencasting extensions that save teachers time. The first extension is called Magic Actions for YouTube. It eliminates all the clutter on your YouTube and replaces it with a solid background. So no more ads, no more next videos popping up. It will give you a solid background to work with. Let's check it out. So to get Magic Actions for YouTube, go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Magic Actions for YouTube, hit enter, and you should see the extension right here, and go ahead and add it to Chrome. Once we're done adding the extension, we can go to a YouTube video, and notice that our little icon or symbol is up here for this extension. Notice underneath the video we have a new set of options that come with that extension, and this video is on Charles Darwin. Note that we have all these distractions over here of other videos, and if we would scroll down we would have comments. To get rid of all these distractions, what you can do is select the cinema option underneath the video, and what that's going to do is eliminate all the distractions and create this nice background so we can stay on task. Sometimes the image doesn't look right as you project it up onto your projection screen. Sometimes the image is too spread out, so we like to keep the quality and keep that low picture, but this will definitely get rid of the background noise and distractions that you don't need. The second extension is called mYouTube. I call it mYouTube because this one is a good one. So let's check this one out. Once again, what we're going to do is go to the Chrome Web Store, type in mYouTube. Here's our extension. Go ahead and add that extension. Once you're done downloading the extension, you'll be able to see the icon up here in the extensions bar. To activate it, we're going to go ahead and click on it, and then we can go to any YouTube video that we want. I'm going to go back to the Charles Darwin video. Before, you saw the videos over here. If you scroll down, you saw the info about the video and then all the comments. Sometimes the comments are extremely helpful because other people add things or links to pictures or other videos that might be able to help out the person watching it with something that the original provider missed. Now, with the mYouTube extension turned on, we can have our videos there, have our comments. We could view the comments, search for valuable links and things, or you could go to the info, and that will give you a little bit about the video and any links that they included in their presentation. The third extension is called Imagus, and this is an extension that when you're on your Google image search for a particular image, instead of having to open up each one and look at it, what you can do is just hover over the image and it automatically makes it larger. So let's go check this one out real quick. So here we are in the Chrome store. We type in Imagus, we hit enter, and we're going to go ahead and add Imagus to Chrome. So once again, we can see our icon up in the extensions bar once we downloaded the extension for Imagus. We can hit the icon, which is going to activate it, and then we can go to a Google image search. So if we scroll over an image, you can see it popping out, and it allows you to get a better look at the image that you're looking at. Now sometimes this will be a little overwhelming. You don't necessarily need it, so at any point in time you can go and deactivate that extension. The next extension is called Google GIFs. This is one of my favorite extensions. When you're in that Google image browser and you type in Finch GIF, often you get this stagnant image, and what you have to do is click on it to see if it actually has any type of an animation to it. With this extension, you no longer will have to do that. Let's go check it out. When we're at the web store, we're going to go ahead and type in Google GIFs. When you hit enter, this one's going to come up. You're going to go ahead and add it to Chrome. All right, we added it to Chrome. Up here is the icon on the extensions bar. We're going to go ahead and click on that to activate it. We're going to go to a Google search, and here is our search. All right, because I already had this pre-plugged in, if I hit refresh, it's going to activate that extension, and you'll be able to see any of the GIFs that have an animation to it come alive. All right, so here we go. And as you can see, the finches are moving now, at least some of them. So now what we could do is we could pick the one that we want to insert into our project, and we have ourselves a GIF that has a pretty decent animation without having to click on each one and actually see what it does. The last extension is called Screencastify. This is a screencasting extension that allows teachers and students to make videos like the one that you're seeing right now. It captures the screen and it captures voice. To get Screencastify, go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Screencastify, and it will be the first one. This one is a little tricky because it's going to look a lot different than the icon that's up top. But here's our Screencastify. Go ahead and add that to Chrome. Once you've added it to Chrome, you'll see the icon up here. It's a lot different than the image there. I'm not going to be able to show you this one just because I am already running a screencast, and therefore it's very hard for me to show you that, but you can go on to YouTube, type in Screencastify tutorial, and they have ones that are already pre-made there. But all that it's going to do is once you click on that icon, it's going to ask you to set a couple of parameters. Do you want to do full screen? Do you want to do part screen? And then you can do your own screencast. It's time to throw in a GotTeched bonus. This is not an extension. This is called Screencast-o-matic. It's very similar to Screencastify. But the reason why I'm throwing it out there is it's currently in beta testing. And what you could do is go to Screencast-o-matic, and any student that has a Chromebook, they have a Chromebook compatible beta tested program on there. And it is by far my favorite and easiest editing software on a screencast product, in my opinion. So if you want, and your students want, with their Chromebooks, they could go over to Screencast-o-matic and they can try this web-based program. So those are our 5 and a bonus one extensions for Google Chrome that will help teachers save time. They're very easy to use. I recommend going and trying a couple of them out. If you have any extensions that you like to use, please throw them down in the comments below.